got a fog rolling in. I'm out here in Florida, thinking Daytona or New Smyrna or something. I don't know. I'm not really sure. But it's early in the morning. It's about 6 a.m. People walking on the beach. Sunset looks amazing. I don't know if you can really see it, but hey, got hopefully a lot of stuff planned for this whole trip. Should be a fun time. We'll see what happens. So, I hope it's not too windy. I don't have the dead cat on here and on the beach. Well, I'm leaving the beach, but so if it sounds weird, I apologize. But anyway, yeah, I was out flying my drone this morning, and I got a phone call. Not a phone call. A guy walked up and, well, I crashed it, naturally. And a guy walked up and started talking to me, and got his phone number or whatever, and invited me on a bike ride. So. That'll be fun. Oh, it's way over there. Hell yeah.
So how far is Evansville from Ponce?
That I don't know.
I know it's around. You guys beat like Kentucky at basketball like a year ago. It's crazy.
Finally made it out here to this lighthouse. We tried to ride a bike out here, and that didn't go very well. And well, we got to the end, and we realized it's on a totally different island, so we could see the lighthouse. So we had to turn around and ride all the way back. So found out that the only way you can get here is you actually have to drive here. There's a parking lot and a pier and everything. Hopefully they will let me fly my drone. Man, I've never been to a lighthouse before, but look at that. The old bathhouse. Take a dump. This place has a bunch of museums along with the lighthouse, and we're going into something now.
They make these boats and they go across the ocean to get to America in these homemade boats. In 1909, Taft declared this a bird sanctuary and declared it off limits, and you couldn't destroy any of their property. Yeah, they changed the name from Mosquito to Ponce Inlet.
Look at this tree. This thing is awesome.
Nature's work of art, isn't it?
Yeah, say that again.
Nature's work of art. Beautiful. Lovely. That looks like a snake head. You need to go to Asheville and go on the Appalachian Trail there. It's really nice.
That's what I really want to do.
Gopher tortoise. The gopher tortoise that lives here at the light station now, at the lighthouse, they're descendants of the original tortoises. They've been here for generations. Oh, it says some of them are 30 years old right now.
Refresh some memory. Touched up lighthouse lenses things. Couldn't remember what they're called. I guess, so Fresnel lenses are what lighthouse lenses are called. They have this like wavy pattern in them. And so that can like diffuse the light and like refract it a specific way to send the light out further, so that way they can see further away when there's a storm and things like that, and don't crash into the shore. Oh, nerdy stuff. You gotta love it.
The last lighthouse keeper, I think it was 1947, his name was Meyer. His daughter ended up living here the rest of her remaining life. Very interesting.
They had to keep the wicks trimmed, and so it would illuminate the kerosene. Wow, would you look at that? Just look at it. All that reflection.
Man, I don't even know what I was gonna say. Just look at this, look at this. So yeah, what I was talking about earlier is, I don't know if you could see, there's like all this like wavy lines and things, and that's like the Fresnel glass, and that was, you know, created so that way they could direct the beam into like a smaller whatever and get it out further. Fulcrum, yeah, get it out a smaller fulcrum and get it out further, so that way in storms, ship captains and stuff would be able to see for a few more miles away, rather than like being close up to the rocky curb or whatever it's called, not a curb, shoulders, edge, whatever the thing, and you know, crashing in, scraping the bottom of ships and whatnot. That's why there's so many old ships back in the day that are sunken near shores and stuff, because they couldn't see close enough to the shore and they would hit rocks and things. It's bits of history.
Like from far away it looks like it's all solid pieces, but then when you look at the top you can see in where it's just angled sheets of a mirror.
This is kind of interesting. They have this gel on this lens back here. It's kind of like same we do in videography and stuff.
What you doing over here? Looking at an anchor that was found in Cape Canaveral. It was lost in 1565.
Wow.
I guess it is. That's a.
That one hook, it says, and they would use that to hold the ship out.
All right, what time are you ready for? Enough time farting around. We're going up to the top of this thing. See the top of this. See what all the fuss is about. Ponce de Leon Lighthouse, 1887. Are you ready? I am. So it's 175 feet up here, or I'm climbing up. It's like real talk. No matter how good a shape you're in, climbing upstairs is always hard. I mean, no wonder my parents didn't want to do this. Well, we're getting close. Just like another flight or two. This is over there. It's a good bit further down. I hope y'all can hear me up here. So I made it to the top of this lighthouse. It's 175 feet, I guess. And this is, I don't know, I guess this one crashed down and they rebuilt it at some point. This whole place has been pretty cool. In a minute we're gonna go somewhere around here. Oh, it's over there. It's, well, this way. But it's a rock pier, right? And you can go wade out on the other side of it. And the other day we tried to ride a bike, me and another guy, all the way around, but this was on a different island, so we couldn't make it over here. And so we had to come, I came with my parents. So this was a win. Now I gotta go find a place to fly a drone.